compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone who is suffering in. It is the ability to understand the pain, struggles, and needs of others and to respond with kindness and actions. Compassion means recognizing the dignity of every person and being willing to help in whatever way we can. It is encourage us to look beyond ourselves and become more aware of the challenges that other people face every day. Compassion can be expressed through our care for others. We show compassion when we listen to people who are struggling, offer support to those in need, and treat everyone with respect and understanding. Simple acts such as helping a classmate, volunteering in a community programs, or supporting people during difficult times are examples of compassion in action. This action shows that we value the well-being of others and we are willing to contribute to their welfare. Compassion is also expressed through our care for the environment. The environment is essential to human life, and caring for it is a way of caring for present and for a future generation. We demonstrate compassion when we reduce waste, conserve natural resources, participate in environmental activities, and promote sustainable practices. Environmental problems such as pollution, climate change, and deforestation affects millions of people, especially vulnerable communities. By protecting the environment, we'll create a healthier and safer world for everyone and to our future generations. An important aspect of building a compassionate society is a communal discernment. Communal discernment is a process of listening, reflecting, and making decisions together for the common good. Instead of focusing only on people's interests, people consider the needs and perspective of others. Through open dialogue, cooperation, communities can make better decisions that benefit to everyone. In the context of Pan Pacific University, communal discernment plays a significant role in creating a more compassionate campus. Students, faculty, and staff can work together to identify issues, discuss problems and solutions, and make decisions that promote inclusivity, respect, and well-being. When members of university community listen to one another and collaborate, they can create an environment where everyone feels valued and supported. On broader scale, communal discernment can help address social and environmental challenges around the world. Problems such as poverty, inequality, climate change, and discrimination cannot be solved by individual alone. They require collective efforts, understanding, and shared responsibility. By practicing communal discernment, people can develop solutions that are more just compassionate and sustainable. In conclusion, compassion is the ability to understand the suffering of others and respond with care and action. It is expressed through our concern for people and commitment to protecting the environment. Communal discernment strengthens compassion by encouraging people to listen, reflect, and work together for the common good. Through compassion and collective decision-making, Pacific University in the world can become more inclusive, caring, and humane places for everyone. So that's it. Thank you for watching.